Hi guys, last time I showed you how to create a ringtone from voice memo on HTC EVO. This time I'm going to show you how to do it a little different so you have separate voice memo and separate ringtone. So this is how I do it. I hack it a little bit. First I have to have a file manager or file explorer. I downloaded this nice tool. It's free. It's called ES File Explorer. It's great for exploring your SD card. You can even go into your phone itself, but I don't recommend to mess with those files unless you know what they are and how to manipulate them and what exactly you're doing. So let me do this one more time a little different way. I'm going to go to voice recorder and I'm going to record one voice memo. Alright, just a little stupid voice memo. Let's see. And now I'm going to exit this application. Oh wait, let me see what the name of that voice memo is. It's voice 0024. Alright, so now I go to my file explorer and I go to my documents on SD card. You see here there's SD card. It's right here. This is where the voice recorder files are stored under my recordings. I select voice 024 AMR and I copy it. Then I go up to media and media, audio, ringtones, and I just paste it there. Menu, operations, paste, and boom, voice 0024 AMR has been copied successfully. And it's right at the bottom. I'm going to rename it here, so it's totally different name. I'm going to call it, let's say, whistle test or whistle test. And alright, so it's there. File renamed successfully. What this means is now I have whistle test as a ringtone in my ringtones, so I can exit this application. In voice recorder I still have this old voice 0024. Alright, and in my ringtones menu, settings, sound, phone ringtone, I have it as whistle test. I should have it as whistle test. Why don't I have it as whistle test? Let's try this one more time. Boom, 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 boom. Not showing. Alright, let me go back to that file explorer. I'll go to my media, audio, ringtones. Here's the problem. When I renamed it, I didn't put AMR, the original AMR extension on it, so I believe it was AMR, which is the default memo variable rate extension. Alright, boom. Alright, this is why it wasn't showing in my ringtones, because it didn't have a compatible extension. So now I go to my ringtones, boom, menu, settings, sound, phone ringtone, and whistle test is there. So this way I created a separate ringtone. It's not depending on the voice memos anymore, and I can manipulate it, move it around, do whatever I want with it, delete it, and my voice memos stay separate. I can delete them separately. It gives you more flexibility, but it's a little more file operations involved. involving and a little more demanding. If you're not comfortable with what you're doing, don't do it. I just wanted to demonstrate how I'm doing it. Thanks for watching. Good luck.